It's a week before Father's Day, and I wanted to hang out with the man that's influenced me the most with the outdoors, my dad.
Hey buddy, let's get you out of the road.
We're both driving about 2.5 hours. I left a little early, so I'm getting here before him. I'm gonna go ahead and pack things down and see what we're working with.
I'm kind of devastated. Not because of the spot. The spot is immaculate. Oh, and that breeze feels so nice, especially after it just hauls that kayak down. But yeah, one of the reasons that I'm a little upset is you gotta treat these amazing spots out here better. Like that, come on, that's awful. And then I don't even know what's going on here. There wasn't a campfire. They just threw trash in this bush. I don't know, man. Some people just take your trash out with you. If I can pack that kayak down here, you can take your trash out. It's not that hard. I know most of you guys do like the leave no trace principles, but man, some people, I just don't understand. Still just getting everything ready. I was way over there where all that trash was, and I was packing my stuff down, and there was a Jeep that went down that trail with all the rocks and everything. Had like huge tires and suspension. It was pretty cool, but he parked literally right there where I was gonna set up. So I walked down the beach. I'm in this little cove, and honestly, I think this is gonna work even better.
Went ahead and cleared out a little spot here. I'm gonna set my tent there. Yeah, the ground's pretty much sloped all the way down to the water.
That's exactly what I needed. Carrying all that stuff down was pretty rough, especially the kayak and backpack. I actually bought way too much. I need to start treating these kind of trips like a backpacking trip. It would have been so smooth. But I like to bring luxury items because this is a luxurious place to camp. It's really nice. I'm ready to start getting things set up. All right, well, I didn't get a lot of recording done because it's just so sunny right here and my phone overheated. But I've been working on a tarp shelter, and it was the hardest thing that I've probably ever done in, like, as far as camping goes, because the wind, the heat, everything. Like, I'll show you what I got. So I had to pin everything down with rocks just to stabilize it from the wind. And then it is nice and tight. Got rocks there, rocks there, rocks there. But yeah, should keep me out of the sun for a while. The trash man. The trash man in his little garbage dump. Not for real. The litter is awful here. Pass this down log. It's not as bad. That's why I put mine over there, honestly. And then just the view.
My dad has arrived. We're pretty much just getting everything set up for him. He hasn't been here in over a decade, and he's pretty upset to see all this trash as well. But we're just going to get our fishing gear set up, get on the water, and hopefully catch a fish for us to clean and eat tonight.
All right, we're doing it. On the lake. It's a lot of waves. But let's see how it goes. It's Dad's first time on his kayak. He's flipped before. He actually flipped with the same model of kayak that I have. That's why he returned that one and got a Sin 12 something. But yeah, no, there's been nothing but like motorboats going through and wake boats, specifically designed to just turn us over. My first fish on the kayak was also a little bluegill.
Pretty. Swim away, little buddy.
I really don't want to get skunked on this trip. So, we're getting out the secret weapon. It's starting to cool down, starting to get a little dark. It's a good time for it.
Get in the boat.
There we go! Dinner! The man's done it. We got dinner for the night. That looked like a good fish. Yeah. That's a good fish. Nunca na besta. a lot
Yeah.
of seasoning.
Good. Don't get a lot of stomach for that.
Yeah.
Find the tums. Water.
Yeah. I heard something running like on the trail earlier. I was like, it's way too late for like someone to be coming down to the point.
Huzzah! Got some orange tips. That's pretty cool. Alright, buddy. Off you go.
Got the fish, got it all cleaned up, ate it. It was the spiciest fish ever. And then we pretty much just hung around the fire and we're pooped. Being on the lake, being on a kayak, you know, all day kind of just wears you down. So I'm in my tent. My dad's in his tent. Yeah, we're just gonna call it a night and get up early and hopefully catch some fish. I still haven't caught one, so if anything crazy doesn't happen, hopefully nothing crazy happens because I smell like fish and yeah, I don't know. It was dark trying to put everything up in a way just in case bears, but I think we'll be all right. Hopefully. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. It's 5:48. Just got up. There's a lot of boats going on already, so I just decided to get up. I slept pretty good. Woke up around 4:30, and there was like some animals rustling behind my tent, which is a little scary. I didn't know what they were. And then I heard a bunch of deer just blowing. But yeah, we're getting ready to get a move on and probably go fish. Looks like he got one. Just made it back to camp. I believe we're just gonna start packing up. I was gonna turn the GoPro on when I was catching fish, so that's why I didn't get any clips really, is because I didn't catch any fish. That's I don't even know what the excuse is this time, because I mean the last time it was because of the murky water, but this water is so clear I could see the fish in the water. They just weren't biting. Getting the kayaks and all our gear up these hills has been very tough. We're almost there though. Is it worth it? Yeah, we've been packing everything up this hill for the past 2 hours now. Going down the hill was fine. It was not as bad. going up this hill, boulders, everything. It feels like I'm moving my apartment, like everything in my apartment, to a new place. I didn't know today was move-in day. Happy Father's Day to all the outdoorsy dads out there, keeping their kids in nature, teaching them to respect everything and, clean up after themselves. I will say it gets pretty depressing when you go to an amazing spot and it's just been completely taken advantage of, just trash everywhere. I was at work this whole week and I could just picture this spot crying to me. I had to come back and clean it. I don't know. It pulled me in again. It's a lot of hard work going up and down this hill so many times. But yeah, we got a clean spot now. And yeah, happy Father's Day to my dad. I'm grateful for everything, how I was raised and all the opportunities that I get to spend with him outdoors. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe if you did, and then catch me on the next one. Let's keep things wild.